You've also taken on a lot of developers, especially in the Bay Area. What's attracting developers to you in the Bay Area?
We've been hiring across our offices. So we have a fabulous team in Tallinn, Estonia, which is where our original development team has been headquartered. Over the past couple of years, we've expanded into Stockholm and Prague and now Silicon Valley as well. You know, Skype is growing fast, and we need world-class developers. And you know, there's no single location that's big enough to support us. Also, Skype's community is global, and therefore we think it makes sense to put development close to the customers in both Europe and in the United States.
Mobile is interesting. I've tried the iPhone. I've got the Skype for Symbian beta was announced right at the end of the web.
Yeah.
And I got it running with the person at the desk next to me.
Great.
As Mike Arrington was trying to say, you know, the carriers don't get this VoIP over their stuff, right? And we actually had it running within half an hour of the announcement.
Oh, great.
So we've seen it on the iPhone. We see something coming for Symbian. Can we expect, say, something for the Blackberry, which to me is the ideal platform because the Blackberry is a multitasking platform, and I have a long history with multitasking environment. Can we expect to see things like video calling and so on mobile?
So we want to build great Skype experiences for all of the important smartphone operating systems, and Blackberry would certainly be one of those. So yes, you can expect to see Skype for Blackberry. I can't give you a launch date yet, but you should expect to see it. Video calling is something we're looking at as well, and you know, we want to make sure that when we launch it, we can launch a really great experience over 3G or Wi-Fi.
It is more of a challenge. I know Rogers has had issues trying to sell video calling, the biggest one being you can't find somebody you can call.
Yeah, so what Skype solves for people in video calling is it solves the network effect. In the past, manufacturers would sell video calling equipment, be it a mobile video calling phone or a piece of hardware on the desk, but it only worked with other people that owned the exact same equipment. Right. What's so great about Skype is download Skype on your desktop as part of your Panasonic TV or wherever, and there's hundreds of millions of people in the world that you can call right away.
The Skype for Business is obviously going through, shall we say, a launch, I think, because this is really the first time we're seeing formal programs. I mean, how big a role do you see that playing for Skype?
Well, it's, you know, about half of the world's calls, about half of the world's communications come from business. So, you know, over time, I don't see why it can't be half of our business as well. But, you know, we're just getting started. We've launched a great product called Skype for SIP. Mm-hmm. And that's the opportunity for any business to plug Skype right into their PBX and start benefiting from great Skype out calling rates. We're seeing great customer demand for it, and we're looking forward to putting the product into full commercial release and starting to scale it.
Right. And what about the Skype for Asterisk? Are you seeing?
Yes, so we launched that together with Skype for SIP, and that's it's sort of another form of Skype for SIP specifically for the Asterisk environment, and yeah, the demand for that is great.
But I have to ask you one question. Yeah. Have you seen the movie It's Complicated?
No.
You want to go and see it for the video calling scene.
Great. Do they use Skype?
They had to get the quality that they showed on the Macs. But I'm not going to say any more. You have to go and see the movie and experience what happens. It is hilarious.
Great. We're finding that, you know, Skype video calling has really entered pop culture. So with Oprah using it now, and with so many different broadcasters using Skype as a way to broadcast, I'm finding all over the place. Every time I turn on the TV, someone is using Skype on TV. It's really exciting.
Talking about Oprah and the TV, sort of television broadcast market, do you see expanding more into that? Do you see working out relationships with the networks or the reporters and that sort of thing? So
we do have a special set of terms of service now. So when news networks want to use Skype, they can do so, and there's a special set of terms of service that they sign up to, and we've seen huge demand from them.
Because it really is a cheap local, remote broadcast.
I think we hope the days of the truck with the big satellite behind it, are going to be an anachronism not too long from now, because frankly, with a laptop, a webcam, and Wi-Fi, you can deliver real-time video with very good quality with no 4-second delay and no cost.
Okay, well, thanks very much. Do you have any summary statement to make about Skype? And
Well, it's been a hell of a 2009. We're very excited for 2010, and what you all can expect from us is to see Skype do an even better job serving you wherever you need, however you need for your communications.
okay, well, thanks very much.
Thank you.